Hey guys, this is Ashwin, and today we're going to be taking this ugly brake booster line right here and relocating it so it's not so much of an eyesore in the engine. So I'm going to be using this heater hose right here from Vibrant. It's 3/8 inner diameter, you can see right here, and it's not going to collapse under any pressure or anything. And you don't want it to collapse because this gives you power brakes, so you don't want to lose that. So I have my manifold off here because I was cleaning all the valves of the carbon deposits. So I didn't record that because it was a pain, but that's done now. So it makes it super easy to access the whole line, so it can be replaced a lot easier. Alright, so it's kind of annoying and it's kind of a pain to remove these lines because it's like pure hard plastic. So what I did, for the most part, I just made 2 slits and made it split, and that's how I took it off. And somehow I always manage to damage my hands whenever I'm working on my car, but so I'm used to it. So for this first piece, this is the smallest you can go because of the adapter part. So this is the first tube done. And next one is just gonna be a long one all the way to where the valve nipple is. I don't know what else to call it. So now I'm going to do a line from here all the way to right here where the exhaust line is. Alright, so I finally got it off, but I cut my hand again, so now I have some protection. For some reason this one was a lot easier, so I'm going to try to get that comfort for the rest of them. Okay, this glove is annoying. Alright, so I got this cut to length now, so I'm going to hook this up to this. Okay, so that's now tucked. Alright, so now that that's off, I can get the next line going. Oh, that's such a bad cut. That is so ugly. There we go. Got the line going from over there tucks under, and then wraps around cleanly back around here. Honestly, it looks so much better than having like this floating thing over here. Like, yeah, it's a thicker wire and everything, but at least it's more hidden, so it just cleans up the engine bay more. So once I got that cowl part removed, and now I got this removed, it really opens up the engine bay and gets rid of all the annoyances. Okay, what's up? 1 year later now, here's the update. As you can see, I don't have it going over here, and that's not because it wasn't successful. It was very successful, it was good. But what happened is I got a new car. This one is not the same car from before because, well, long story short, other one crashed. This is the new one. This one's manual, that one's automatic. I just want to finish all of the videos from that car first before I start uploading these videos. And that's why it's been a year, because there's just a lot of backlog of videos. So I'm finishing all of those. Then I'm going to do all the videos for this car. I already have a bunch installed. So now, anyways, with this car, I don't have, well, there's a line here, but I actually don't have the regular exhaust that comes on the 135i. I actually have the performance exhaust. So that exhaust does not have a valve. So this thing is pointless. It's plugged up on the other side. So because I don't need to run the line this way anymore because I'm not using this, but basically it's just run this way straight to here. So it's just the two vacuum lines. It's underneath so you can't see. Maybe if I can go on this side. So actually you can't really see it. It's right there. But the two vacuum lines connect up to there like usual, how it was. And instead of going this way with that three-way thing, it just goes straight this way, straight into the brake booster line. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, it's just the two ports there. So you're just deleting the part where it connects up here. So it just goes. And that, like, it's a good thing you guys can't see it right now, because that just means it's working. You can't see it at all, but it's still functional. So if you have an aftermarket exhaust or you have the performance exhaust that doesn't have the valve, just run it this way. It's going to be so much, it's going to look so much cleaner. You can even try extending, if you have the stock exhaust, probably like try extending the line with some smaller vacuum line, like I think it's 3mm line, and you can just run the small line that way and do it that way too. I didn't think of it at the time when I was doing it, but that might be a better alternative as well. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you want more content from this channel. I like doing these type of small little mods that just help clean up your everyday, you know, when you're working on the car, it helps you out, so you know. Anyways, thanks so much for watching.